In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Snapchat ghost mode not working. If Snapchat's ghost mode isn't turning on, start by ensuring the app is updated to the latest version. Head to your App Store and Play Store for Android. Search for Snapchat, and if the update button shows up, make sure to tap on it to update. Once done, restart the application and check your location permissions. Go to your phone settings. Head to Apps. You want to search for Snapchat. Onto the location option, ensure Snapchat has location access and toggle it off and back on. Then head to Snapchat. Make sure to clear Snapchat's cache within the app. On the settings page, scroll down into the section of privacy controls. Select Clear Data. Head to the last option of Clear Cache. This is essential for freeing up storage space, improving app performance by resolving minor glitches. Now if none of these worked for you, head to Snapchat Map. Make sure to toggle ghost mode on and off. Then manually reinstalling the Snapchat application. Install it back. Enable the Snapchat location in the settings and it will eventually work again. If ghost mode still isn't working after troubleshooting, you can contact Snapchat support for further assistance. Well, those are some of the steps you can take if your Snapchat ghost mode doesn't turn on. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.